Okay, the question says a survey of 72 customers was taken at a bookstore regarding the types of books purchased. The survey found that 44 customers purchased mysteries, 38 purchased science fiction, and 30 purchased romance novels. So we're going to have 3 circles set with the 3 circles. So this is set 1, set 2, set 3. So the first one is mysteries. This one is mysteries, and the other one is science fiction, and the third one is romance novels. Okay, now let's keep reading. 17 purchased mysteries and romance novels. 14 purchased science fiction and romance novels. 6 purchased all 3 types. So that's where we start filling out. So 6 purchased all 3. So we have 6 that goes right there. 6 purchased all 3. So 6 is the intersection of all 3. Mystery, science fiction, and romance novels. So 6 goes into the intersection of all 3, which is this region. So we put 6 there. And then it says 14 purchased science fiction and romance novels. So 14 go into this part. And we already have 6 there. So the rest is 8. So 8 goes right there. So it says 14 purchased science fiction and romance novels. So science fiction and romance novels is right there, those 2 regions. And we already filled in 6, so the rest is 8. So 8 goes right there. Then it says 17 purchased mysteries and romance novels. So 17 goes, let me choose another color. 17 goes right there, and we already have 6, so the rest is 11. So 11 plus 6, 17, which is mysteries and romance novels. So keep reading. We have 20 purchased mysteries and science fiction. So 20 purchased mysteries and science fiction. That goes right there. And we already have 6 filled in there. So the rest is 14. So 14 goes right there. This is how you fill the Venn diagram with the 3 sets. So here we have 3 sets: mysteries, science fiction, and romance novels. Start with the filling the intersection of all 3. Then start filling the intersection of 2. So, and don't forget to subtract that intersection of all 3 from these. Now we keep reading. It says 44 purchased mysteries. So in this circle, it is 44. So in this whole mystery circles, it's 44. But we already have 14 plus 6, which is 20, plus 11, which is 31. So 44 minus 31 is 13. So only mysteries is 13. So if you add 13 plus 11 plus 6 plus 14, you get 44. So the mysteries, the whole thing is 44. Now we have 38 purchased science fiction. So 38 goes into this circle, science fiction, but we already have 14 plus 6 plus 8 there. So 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. Subtracting 28 from 38, we have 10 that goes there. And then 30 purchased romance novels. 30, so let me use another color. 30 purchased romance novels, which is this one. And we already have 11 plus 6 plus 8 filled in that circle, which is 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 11 is 25. Subtracting 25 from 30, we have 5 goes there. Then we look at how many total. Total there were 72, but if we add all these regions, let's go ahead and find how much are those. 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30, plus 14 is 44, plus 10 is 54, plus 8 is 62, plus 5 is 67. Subtracting 67 from 72, we have 5 that goes there. That means 5 people don't like to read any of these 3 categories. So this is how you fill a 3-set Venn diagram. Once you filled in this 3 circles, this Venn diagram, it's easy to answer any question. Okay, A part it says, how many of the customers surveyed purchased only science fiction? So only science fiction means that goes right there, which is 10. Science fiction only. That means no mysteries, no novels. So that is this region, which is 10. The second question is, how many purchased mysteries and science fiction but not romance? So not romance, mysteries and science fiction but not romance, that is this region, and that's 14. You cannot add 6 because 6 people purchased all 3. So the answer is 14. C part, how many purchased mysteries or science fiction? Mysteries or science fiction means you have to look at all these regions, this mysteries and then this. Or you add all these numbers in the circles M and SF. So you add 13 plus 11 plus 14 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. That gives you 62. So the answer is 62 for that. Now D part is, how many purchased mysteries or science fiction but not romance? So you simply subtract 5 from there. So you have 62. But not romance. Not romance novels at all. Sorry. How many purchased mysteries or science fiction but not romance? That means you cannot add anything from this circle. So 13 plus 14 plus 10. For 13 plus 14 is 27 plus 10 is 37 is the answer to D part. E part, how many purchased exactly 2 type? Exactly 2 type means this or this or this. So it's going to be 14 plus 11 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is 22 plus 11 is 33 is the answer to E part. Hopefully you understood. If you have more questions, send them to me.